Hi friends, so I am super excited to let you know that my IVF medication just came in, and I'm going to do the unboxing with you so you can see everything I've got. Here it is. Refrigerate upon arrival. So a lot of this medication needs to go inside of the fridge right away. So I want to go ahead and do this unboxing with you so that you can see the medication that is needed for this IVF cycle. You can see it says medication is enclosed, open foil bag, and refrigerate contents. So inside of this bag is all of the good medication that I need to put into the fridge right away. The list of medication that I'm supposed to have inside of this box is the Gonal-F, 900 units, the Menopur, of course, the 75 unit, 30 vials, the Cetrotide, 25 milligrams, the Novaral, 5,000 units, the Leuprolide Trigger, 1 kit, the needles, and the syringes. So far I can see that I have the Menopur. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My medication comes from the Freedom Fertility Pharmacy, which has gotten all of my medication for my cycles in the past. So again, we are using them again because they are very thorough. This is what they do. They supply IVF fertility medication. So we have all of the Menopur. I have 6 boxes. I have my needles and my syringes. These are the needles that will be inserted inside of my body. We have the Novaral. We have 2 vials of that, 5,000 units. This is the Leuprolide Trigger injection. And I have 2 syringes for that as well. And these are Moore's little syringes inside of this package. This is the container where all of the used syringes will go inside. After I finish inserting the syringes inside of my body with the medication, you put the syringes inside of here for safety reasons. You want to make sure that you dispose of them right away. This is everything. It comes with the ice packs inside that keep it cool until you put it inside of the fridge. So let's open up the bags and see what we got. So I have the Gonal-F, which needs to be refrigerated right away. This is the Gonal-F. This is the Gonal-F as well. So we have 4 Gonal-Fs in this bag. And let's see in here. In here I have the Cetrotide, 25 milligrams. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have the Cetrotide, we have the Gonal-F, we have the Menopur, we have the Leuprolide injection, which is the trigger injection, and we have the Novaral. We have the syringes, and we have our container to put our empty syringes inside. So all of this is basically getting ready for the egg retrieval. I am going to be pumping my body with these hormones to produce enough follicles, enough eggs, or try to be able to retrieve the eggs. And we are hoping that I respond to the medication so that we can get the follicles and get the eggs and then create embryos and then transfer them into my body. So it is a long process, lots of steps. I wanted to show you details about the medication so you see where all your money is going. This right here is the medication protocol for a new cycle, and I'm really excited.